So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add PayPal to BigCommerce. So the first thing you want to do is go to the left and you can see Home, Orders, Products, Customers, Storefront, Marketing, Analytics, Apps, Channels, and Settings. Now through here, I suggest you go to Settings. Once you've clicked on that, you can see Setup, you can see then General, Orders, Products, Marketing, Domain, as well as Advanced all the way down. Well, let's go through setup and you can see store profile, currencies, and payments. And if you want to set up PayPal, you will need to go through payments. Once you've clicked on that, you can see checkout payment settings like offline, which would be bank deposit, cash on delivery, check, money order, or pay in store. Or you can go to online payment methods like BitPay, BlueSnap Direct, CyberSource, and WordPay B2B payments. If it's not popping up on here, as you can see right now, it's not one of the suggested online payment methods, you will then need to go to your help and you can go to live chat so they can help you with setting up PayPal. If it's not popping on here, as you can see right now, it's not. It should be under online payment methods, but the process is the same as with any of these. Just click on setup and from there it's going to guide you to setting up that specific. So right now this is World Pay and you can see which cards are available for that, and you see merchant entity, username, password. So just make sure that you have all the same info for your PayPal account right by your side. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on BigCommerce or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.